Located at the Technology Park, Malaysia, VeroTest is a Malaysian company specializing in the manufacturing of in vitro diagnostic devices. To ensure that our quality management system meets the highest international standards, we are qualified with ISO 13485-2016 certification. Guided by a team of skilled professionals, we're dedicated to pushing the boundaries of innovation and setting new standards of excellence. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, our cleanroom facility boasts automated filling and labeling lines, enabling us to produce high volumes of products with unwavering precision and consistency. Central to our success is our in-house laboratory, where every product undergoes rigorous quality inspections and testing, ensuring that only the highest quality diagnostic products reach our customers. Our diverse range of products caters to the essential needs of laboratories worldwide. With a primary focus on blood grouping reagents, we offer febrile antigen reagents, latex agglutination reagents, turbodimetric latex reagents, and hematology coagulation reagents. Our mission is clear: to produce and supply high-quality in vitro diagnostic products to the international markets. This is aligned with our vision to be a reputable and recognized manufacturer for the in vitro diagnostic reagents and kits in the region. VeroTest, be sure.